lahat.
Kasi maganda talaga si Venus, yung mga kaibigan ko from the States, si Vivora, tsaka sa London, sa New York, si Felix. Favorite mga beauty queen experts to mga
alam mo,
favorite talaga nila si
You
Venus.
know what else worries me about this? This made headlines, ha? Even in Singapore.
Sa CNN, feature yan na Philippines,
least na-feature
parang
ang Pilipinas.
para sa Miss Yun na Detro,
Diba?
something like that.
I just don't want it to come out like a Filipino was lying na naman,
Correct.
using bad means to an end. Pero at least yung talagang first runner-up na Filipina talaga, happy ako for her.
Actually, second runner-up yung ipapadala kasi bata pa yung first
Ay,
runner-up.
kumbaga,
Matalino naman yung papalit si Nicolette.
Filipinong-Filipina na sure na sure.
Venus Re.
Yeah. Kaya ako talaga nagre-react,
ang mga bakla siya talaga ang gusto.
Pero gayon pa man, we wish Nicolette Henson all the
naman.
best. Just like Miriam Cambao, who took the place of the Miss Universe, the Binibining Pilipinas Universe. She won first runner-up. And we hope Nicolette also.
Ako naman sa Binibining Pilipinas Charities, especially sa kanilang screening committee, pakihusay-husayan po niya, tumiinit ang ulo namin. Thank you.
Okay, so there you go. So to the contestants, just be honest with your documents, be consistent, and of course to the people organizing it, sana you can check better next time.
Sana you can screen them out of the competition early on pa naman. We have some comments over the Facebook.
Sila mo, mas kaya mga friends natin sa Facebook.
Sabi ni Angel, sayang naman, Ben ko pa naman siya para sa bansa natin.
Maraming ang hinaya.
Mary Kay Bautista also said, sinusuportahan ko siya kahit Black Beauty.
Si Venus,
In fact,
alright.
sila yung mga nagtatagumpay sa mga Miss Universe pageant. So it was really such a big win.
Isa naman pong malungkot na balita mga kapuso at nung Holy Wednesday nga po ay inilibing na sa kanyang huling hantungan ng ina ni Miss Francine Prieto.